country roads and twisties. It must be motorbike heaven. Oh, good morning. I needed this. It was 4 degrees this morning when I woke up. 4 degrees in July. Yeah, that's the mountains for you. I do live up a mountain. I live at 1,600 meters, so it happens. By the time I got to the bike, it was 7 or 8 degrees. It took me half an hour to come down the hill to here, the town of Visp, and it is a much, much nicer 14 or so degrees. I am warming up, fill the bike up with fuel. And the plan is to go from here, town of Visp, to Leukerbad, which is a spa resort up in the mountains. It's really pretty. I mean, yeah, another one of those gorgeous places you might never get to. So let me show it to you. Initially, it's down the valley floor, which is the Rhone Valley, towards the capital of the canton, which is here, but we're not going that far, and we're just going to whack a right at the small town of Leuk up to Leukerbad. Come along, eh? Enjoy the ride. Okay, welcome to the Rhone Valley. Just coming out of the town of Visp, and it is another beautiful day, if a little chilly. A little warm up, all good. On a bike, nothing can go wrong today. There's a view right down the valley, stunning. How to put a smile on your face. Tell me something, how do you explain motorcycling to someone who's never done it or doesn't understand why we do it? People go to the gym, climb mountains, sail the oceans. Me, I hop on a bike. So this is a small town of Leuk. I'm just going to come off here and head up to Leukerbad. And that's it, valley floor done. We're free of the traffic, hopefully. Get to enjoy some twisties. Oh, the dream. Look at this. I'm not sure it gets better. I'm really not. So a little unknown fact for you, the Swiss make an awful lot of wine. And right now we are in some of the best wine country in Switzerland. The Canton Valais is famous for its wines, and they're pretty damn good, gotta say. You don't see them anywhere else because the Swiss drink it all themselves. Pretty hard to find it in any shop outside of Switzerland. But to be fair to them, they don't produce comparatively nearly as much as the other big producers. They haven't got the land to produce that much, so if it's good, keep it for yourself. Really, these little routes off the sides of the main valley are completely fantastic. Not nearly as busy as the major, popular, famous passes and all that, but they offer some of the nicest riding, hey? And they take you, well, you'll see, to just little gems. It's not about doing it at speed, it's about doing it with a smile. Just another great road. And then you come across little villages on the way up. Switzerland on steroids, you know? Chalet Essential, look at this. Endless twisties, every village you go through, just gorgeous. What you expect. Does exactly what it says on the tin, Switzerland. This is different. This is very cool.
we come into Leukerbad itself. Just surrounded by walls of stone. Intimidating, also quite cozy in a strange way. Comforting. Awe-inspiring as well. Truly. So let's find a place to park and have a look around the town.
So it turns out the circus is in town. And what a spot. The Swiss really do know how to place a village. So it is a spa town. You need spa water. And this is the stuff. I hope you can see the steams coming off this. It's warm, but not too warm. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, in midwinter that would be just incredible. Coming from the cold to have this. Yeah, great, absolutely great. Oh, and there's an Indian in town. I'm a fan. It's my kind of place. I'm not sure how to do this place justice, but these mountains just surround. It is something else. Absolutely stunning. That's a really cool little ride, that all the way from Visp up to here, 45 minutes. Not much, it's like 38k, I think, something like that. Oh, it's a good ride, and look, if you're too up with the missus, just stop by this place for the night, bring her up here. She gets a great little spa. You'll be in their good graces for life, I promise you. And you'll have a fantastic ride on the way up as well. So it's take, win-win. Yeah, I'll be back.